And welcome to another episode of Fractals Printed. You're here with the print god Swin, and I got some pro tips for you. Check it out. This is what you do when you got to run through a couple hundred shirts. Like today, I got 200 shirts and I'm by myself, right? One color, no flashing, no nothing. This is what you can do to speed up your process. Come on, check it out. Whoa. All right, so check it out. With this pro move, you ain't got no room for error. You gotta print it right the first time, because once you lift it up, it's done, right? Pro move, check it out. It's gonna wanna stick a little bit, so I hold it down with one hand. Print it, make sure I get the ink through there good like I want it. Slide to the Now this works great when you go on like a dark color over light shirts. See how that goes? Pull it off real quick, slide it right through the dryer. My shirts are a little wet, man. UPS dude just threw my stuff all out in the rain. I ain't had no love. I got a claim coming for y'all, man. That was foul. But anyway, hopefully the dryer is gonna dry all that out for us. It's not gonna be an issue. So stay tuned, let's go.